Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel, the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to trade the synthetic or volatility indices market without stop losses. Before I continue, if you haven't subscribed to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel, do your best to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you get notified each time I upload a new content, and try to like and share this channel to your network so that YouTube will push us to a high level of audience. Okay, so I will continue with the explanation. Here we deploy high level timing on volatility market about how long it takes for price to rise or fall. Even if there is a drawdown in the middle of the contract time, towards the end of the contract time, the contract will be won and you will have made approximately 200% return on investment. We have a special VIP code for the rise and forcing a capable of generating $11,000 plus for $1 investment in 14 days. Okay, this group is called VIP DROP BINORF group. The thing is, we are working hard to make sure that people actually succeed in trading. The thing is, when you place a trade in the MT5, when you trade margin which has stop loss, most time your stop loss keep hitting. You place another trade, your stop loss hit. Okay, in order to solve this problem, we need to actually time the market accurately so that even if there is drawdown, we'll be able to end up in profit. And the only way to achieve this is to trade rise and fall. Okay, I'm going to show you what I mean on MT5. Okay, right now this is MT5. Okay, take for instance, you saw this signal and you were able to buy this market here and you take your profit here. You have generated over 17,000 pips. Let's assume you risk 2,000 pips. Your risk reward is going to be 1:8.5. Yes, that's good. That is a massive risk reward trading the margin with a stop loss. But what if peradventure you risk $100 and the market went ahead and hit your stop loss and suddenly start going up? You can see what happened here. Somebody could take here as a support and buy and place a buy trade here, but the market will go down and hit your stop loss. Definitely you are going to put your stop loss somewhere here. Let's assume you risk $100. Once the market hits your stop loss, you lose your $100. But if you were able to trade this market in a rise and fall market, and maybe we give it 750 minutes, if it draws down like this, it's going to come up and you are going to end up with winning. Okay, so that is the power. I'm going to show you this more one more time. This is where the magic happen. You select rise. Okay, you select rise and then put the time and the stake. Okay, the truth is that we have a special trading method whereby you basically start with $1. As I said in the notes in the document, you basically start with $1 and you're able to take it to $11,000 plus. This is crazy because we deploy rollover strategy whereby you start with initial $1 and every time you place a trade you're gonna get a double, near double, around 1.95, which is close to double, like 1.95 times, which is close to double or times 2. We get multiple trades in 14 days, meaning that it takes us 14 days to get 14 trade. When we get for every day we get one trade, and then in 14 days we get 14 trade, and by the time you roll over all this trade you generate $11,000 plus. Okay, it's better than putting a couple of $2,000 and you lose all of them because your stop losses keep hitting. Okay, so that is a good thing about this stuff. You have to start changing your life once you join the VIP group, the VIP DROP BINORF group. You'll be given an instructional video of how to trade the rise and fall signals. Okay, you'll be given an instructional video. It's all about timing and entry. Okay, timing and entry. So you'll be given a video about how to do this once you make your payment to join. You can select a monthly subscription, you can select the yearly subscription, you can select the lifetime subscription, and the video course of how to actually trade our signal will be given to you. Okay, so thank you, keep making it in this market, keep doing great. This doesn't prevent you from trading the forex market. You can still trade the margin with stop loss, you can still trade margin with stop loss. But if you're the type that keep losing money, you deposit a couple of $100, you lose a couple of $200, you lose a couple of $500, you keep losing money here, you keep blowing your account. I think this system is going to save you a lot. Okay, you can hedge, you can use this drop BINORF trading. Drop means the trader rollover program, binary option rise and fall. Okay, you can use this idea to actually hedge against the losses you are having in the margin market with stop losses, margin market whereby you trade with stop losses. You can actually hedge against this with no stop loss trading system. Okay, thank you, keep succeeding in this market, keep doing great. Thank you and bye for now.